Welcome to DryCyber's Cybersecurity Readout. Today, we're diving into the Cybersecurity Framework from the National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST. Why should your business use it? Well, it's like a universal translator for cybersecurity. It provides a common language that everyone in your organization can understand, from the IT department to the boardroom. The framework isn't a rigid set of rules. It's flexible and customizable, fitting businesses of all sizes and sectors. It's designed to complement your existing cybersecurity program, not replace it. Creating profiles within the framework helps you identify areas to strengthen or implement new processes. And the implementation tiers? They guide your organization in managing cybersecurity risk at the right level of rigor. From the University of Chicago to Intel, organizations are reaping the benefits of the framework. It's time for your business to join them. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, we're stronger together. Use the NIST Cybersecurity Framework and fortify your defenses today. Stay secure, everyone.